Hi guys, the purpose of this video is a review about these two libraries. The one is Little Library and the another one is my first library. So these are the reviews. I'm comparing and reviewing these two books, these two libraries, and help you to decide which library you should choose. This is Little Library have a 12 books and my first library has a 10 books. It's have a 2 books extra, that is I will show you. Rhyming and Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland basically a story. Okay, it's a simple story, and another one is a rhyming having some poetries. So these are the books. Okay. So if you think about the quantity, the Little Library has a more quantity, more types of books, and in case of my library it have only 10 types of book. But in case of quality and picture, if you want to engage your child more, then I think first library is a good for you. Why? Because I'm saying this. See, the picture and the board quality of first library is better than the Little Library. Little Library qualities like this, see this, and building qualities, and see the lamination quality is not that much good as compared to my Little Library, because these libraries are recommended for the child between 1 to 3 years old max. So in that case, child do not care about the things, so you should need a solid thing, like it's a strong thing you needed. So that's why I recommended that go for a first library, because the build quality is good, the picture quality is good, lamination is perfect, and that's it. Because if you think about the size, if you go behind the thickness of two boards, this one first library have a thicker board, right, and another one is a thinner board. So that's why. And if you think about the images quality, though both have a good, almost similar images quality, but in case of first library has a different thing, like it shows only it shows only one picture in a whiteboard, which is quite attentive. Students get attracted to this thing. It's grab their attention as compared to the pictures in first library, Little Library. That's I found, because when I play with my nephew, he is right now more than 1 year old. So he engaged with the pictures of this one, not in a Little Library. He engaged with the picture of first library. So that's why I'm recommended this, and I'm giving a detailed link of both the libraries in my description. You can check and compare and decide what you want and what you want to purchase. That's it from my side. And basically the one thing I want to add is this one is a good, because I talked to a psychologist and he was saying that these things are better than child using a phone, because child want some pictures. Child easily get attracted towards the pictures which is be shown in the phone, right? So basically these are the pictures towards your child can attract with, and he can engage with, and you can help him to pronounce the things. In case of my nephew, he always whenever he see this cow, he always say cow, cow, cow. So it is more engageable than the phone. So that's why I recommended this. Okay, so you can decide it, and which according to you can go for this thing. If your child is caring, you can go for this, but I don't think a 1 year child or 3 year child is caring. Okay, so that's it from my side, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video. Thank you so much from my side. This is from my side. Thank you for watching this video.